Heads up, Rejuvenation. We're coming up on our 15-year anniversary. That's right, 15 years of Fresh. And we have a huge sale planned for you. So head over to our website and subscribe to our newsletter to be one of the first to get on the deals. Thank you for 15 years of your support. What's up, everybody? I'm Vick Almighty. Welcome back to another Shoe Care Academy episode. Today, I'm going to show you guys the best way to clean up the sleeper colorway. These are the Jordan 3 Lucky Shorts. These were inspired by MJ's personal superstition. Back in the day, he used to wear his UNC practice shorts underneath his Bulls uniform for good luck. On the inside, there's a hidden Easter egg that says XL 8788 as a nod towards that tradition. Now, if you ask me, the overall colorway is pretty mid. They could have done so much more with the sneaker. For example, if Nike hit me up with the Lucky Shorts concept to put on a Jordan 3, what I would have done was, on the outside, giving it a Bulls colorway, but on the inside, go super UNC. Just like in real life, on the outside, MJ wears the Bulls shorts, and on the inside, he's got the UNC shorts. But Nike didn't ask me, I don't work there.
Boom, roasted.
Now, for the last month, our boss Kayla has been rocking these every single day. They still weren't dirty enough though, so Luis grabbed them and put a bunch of stuff all over the sneaker, trying to challenge me. However, this is no challenge. Using our Rejuvenator products and the correct technique, I'm gonna show you guys the best way to bring the shoe back to life. So, let's get started. Now, for before and after purposes, I'm gonna take this shoe to the side and just focus on the right. I'm gonna take out the shoelace and insole to clean those up separately. Now, as is, this shoe is extremely dirty and beat. The first thing you want to do with any cleaning is some prep work. I'm going to go next door, grab the compressor, and use our medium bristle brush to dry brush the entire sneaker and blow it off. Between doing those two steps, it'll make a world of a difference. A lot of this dirt and grime that's on the shoe is going to fly right off, making the actual cleaning a lot easier to execute. Let's go next door. Good to go with the prep work. Honestly, I don't think I need to put the shoe in the washing machine after all. After dry brushing and using the compressor, the sneaker looks a lot better. Putting this specific shoe in the washing machine may be overkill. That's the great thing about our signature kit. You gotta put them in the washing machine. It comes with a laundry bag, or you could just use the rest of the tools for a regular good deep clean. On the tag on the inside of the tongue, it says, like I mentioned, XL 8788, but it also says, do not machine wash, do not tumble dry, do not bleach, do not iron design, do not machine wash. Honestly, I'm not gonna put them in the washing machine because they're not that dirty. However, if it needed to, I would put them in the washer, but I'm not going to. Not because they told me not to, but because they're not that dirty. I got everything set up for this cleaning. I got a 4-ounce bottle of solution, all 3 brushes, soft, medium, and stiff. All 3 brushes are required for a good deep clean all around the sneaker. Bowl of water using a dry rack and bowl combo. Mat to keep everything nice and clean. Shoe tree to keep in place during the cleaning process, drying process, and once it's fully done, just to reshape the overall sneaker and remove any creasing from the toe box. And lastly, a laundry bag to put the insole and lace in the washer. As always, let's put the shoe tree inside first. Now, with our 4-ounce bottle solution, all you need is 2 squirts inside the bowl of water. Now, for this shoe, and honestly, most cleanings that I do, I always start off with a soft bristle brush. It breaks down the grime on the uppers the fastest. It has nice soft bristles to the point where I can brush the entire upper and it's not gonna damage it. As I go, I'm gonna be doing it in a circular motion, making sure I hit every single little spot, and I'm gonna do the inside as well. Dude, yesterday I stopped by Papago Mountain. I was wearing these and shit. Like, these were in my area, but it landed like on my shoe, on the laces, and it was like on there. Like I didn't want to like. It was like going in between the laces and shit. I was like, bruh, it's like kicked my shoe off, and it went kind of down like a little bit down like a little hill-ish. So like now I have to like go down there with 1 foot, and it's all rocky and shit. But the bee was still on the shoe though, and then it crawled inside. I was doing that shit too, and I was even punching the shoe like on the outside, trying to smash it in there. Wouldn't come out, and I had like cross-country runners or some shit running by me. I'm just standing there with 1 shoe down there, sock, and I'm like, like not trying to like. All right, inside's taken care of. The sock liner is back to white. It's just super wet right now. Now I'm done with the soft bristle brush. I'm gonna move on to the medium bristle. With this brush, there's a couple things I want to tackle. I'm gonna go back on the uppers, take care of all the white leather, mainly because I want to get this white stitching as white as possible. As I go, I'm also gonna be taking care of the midsole. And before I finish it off, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the insole and use a medium bristle brush to get it back to white. You wanna be very careful using a medium bristle brush on suede. Typically, I don't always recommend it. However, in this specific situation, the suede is not delicate, it's not gonna bleed. It'll be okay using a medium bristle brush. However, in other cases, be very careful.
Sticker removal.
You left it on there. I'm not taking it off, leaving residue. All right, here's the thing that annoys me. I don't know why people don't do it. Kayla, Miguel, Luis, everybody in this freaking office. Take off the freaking sticker on the insole. Now it doesn't come off, it's fading off. We're gonna have a weird looking square on the insole. Just take it off. See, look, it's fading. I'm gonna try to peel it. I mean, it's off, but it leaves a janky little square full of residue. It can come off, it just takes more work. Take it off next time, Kayla. And it's off. Last brush we're gonna be using is a stiff bristle. This one's gonna be easy. All we gotta do is take care of the soles. To get the best results, give it a good scrub. While you're taking care of the soles, be careful not letting the bristles scrub on the midsoles. However, if you do get it on the midsoles, it's okay, it's not gonna damage it. Now when it comes to cleaning up your shoes, cleaning up the soles is always optional. If you plan on wearing them right after you finish cleaning them up, there's no point in cleaning up the soles. However, if you do plan on selling them or trade them, the value goes up with the clean sole. The last part of this cleaning is the shoelace. I'm gonna use the leftover water and solution to give it a good clean. Afterwards, I'm gonna be putting the lace and the insole in the washing machine just to make sure both items get a good deep clean and come back as white as possible. Here's the thing though, don't waste your mom's water just by putting the shoelace and the insole in the washing machine by itself. Throw it in there with her clothes just so you guys can save water together. All right, good to go. I'm gonna put these two items in our laundry bag. Keep everything together. Let's go to the washing machine and put this shoe outside to dry. Even though I'm not washing a shoe, I'm still gonna be using cold water with the regular cycle. Can't forget these right here. This is what makes the magic happen. All right, since I do live in Arizona, it's about 110 degrees right now. If I let it sit there for a good 20-30 minutes, it might separate. I'm gonna come back in 10 to pull it from the sun. Drying process is complete, only took about 30 minutes. I can't lie, this shoe looks great from not putting it in the washing machine. Sometimes all it takes is taking your time during the prep work and during the pre-treatment process. Now, one of the issues you're gonna run into when you're cleaning up suede, it gets crunchy, it loses its soft texture once it dries. The simple fix, you can either use the brass bristle brush or the medium bristle brush. The brass bristle brush is for tougher situations. In this case, it's still semi-soft, so I'm just gonna be using the medium bristle brush in multiple directions to get it back to its original buttery soft texture. Back to buttery soft. Now when it comes to these cleanings, it's all about the details. The shoe is all cleaned up, but at the inside, all over the sock liner, there's a ton of sock lint. I'm gonna go ahead and use a couple of lint shavers to fully shave it off. Lastly, I'm gonna lace it up, put the insole inside, grab some small scissors, and cut off all the loose threads all around the sneaker. All right guys, that's gonna bring us to an end on this full deep clean on these Air Jordan 3 Lucky Shorts. Straight up, this is an easy one, you guys. There's nothing to worry about on this sneaker. There's no delicate materials, nothing to watch out for. When it comes to this shoe, if you use the right tools and technique, you should have no issue with it at all. When it comes to any cleaning, you guys, it's all about the prep work and taking your time during the actual cleaning. I was ready to put this shoe in the washing machine just because it was white with the white sock liner. However, because I took my time during the prep and the cleaning process, this shoe cleaned up way better than I expected. I didn't have to put the shoe in the washing machine at all. For this cleaning, I used our Rejuvenator signature kit that comes with everything you need to do a regular clean or a deep clean by using our Reshoevn8r laundry bag to put them in the washing machine. As always, you can find our Reshoevn8r products at reshoevn8r.com. Use promo code LUCKY20 to save 20% on your next order. Also, you guys, just a heads up, Reshoevn8r Day is right around the corner. August 8th, we're celebrating 15 years of Fresh. We're gonna be doing huge giveaways all over Instagram. You don't wanna miss out. Stay tuned for that. This is Vick Almighty. I'll catch you guys next time. See you guys.